Hello everyone, this is Julie here from laserscroll.com. Today we're going to take a look at the 1910 Model T Ford. What a little beauty this one is. This of course was made by the Ford Motor Company. Some other names that they used to call it, and still do, are the Tin Lizzie, Leaping Lena, and the Gypney. It's generally regarded as the first affordable automobile and the car that opened travel to the common middle-class American, because before that only the extreme rich could afford them, or afford any car. This car was also named the most influential car of the 20th century in 1999. That's pretty impressive. The Model T almost single-handedly changed the culture of the worldwide industry during its near 20-year production run of over 15 million vehicles, which makes it possibly the most significant car of all time. Now, that's pretty amazing. This particular model is a great-looking double-seated car, and obviously it has the fold-down top. This pattern, when made in 1/8 inch or 3mm material, is roughly 19.3 inches in length when completed, and about 7.3 inches wide, and roughly 10.7 inches high. And of course you can paint this model however you like. The largest part in 1/8 inch size for this Model T Ford is around 16.6 inches by about 3 inches, so you want to check the bed of your machine to make sure that works for you. And here's a little shot of the bottom of it. And of course you can scale the slots to a larger size or a smaller size depending on how you want to go. But remember, the 1/8 inch is the standard size for a tabletop model at completion, so it seems to be quite a popular size. Please check out our YouTube channel, which is MakeCNCWorkshops.com TV, and subscribe. Well, I hope you enjoyed my first product video on the 1910 Model T Ford. Keep checking back regularly, as there are lots more exciting and informative new videos coming, and we'd love to share them with you. Well, good luck and happy CNCing.